Manipur Chief Minister Ann Biren today inaugurated a brand new building of horticulture and soil conservation at Sanjintong, Imphal East. Addressing the inaugural function, Ann Biren said the state is heading towards 100% organic and that a mega food park is coming up soon. One Tata DI vehicle fell off Lelong Bridge in Thoubal district and plunged into the Imphal River in the wee hours today. The incident happened when the speeding Tata DI was trying to overtake another vehicle. 3 passengers on the board the vehicle are reportedly feared death in the mishap as per reports. Search and rescue operations are underway by Joint Team of Fire Service, NDRF and SRF. After long impulse, the Manipur government has finally issued the appointment letters of selected male candidates of Manipur Rifles 2016 batch early this morning. A team of Guwahati GRPS caught 2 women with 175 small pouches containing 195 Yaba tablets each from down 12423 Rajdhani Express train at Guwahati railway station. The estimate price of 34,100 tablets is said to be rupees 34 lakh. The 2 women have been identified as Soma Pal, 26, and Sangita Modak, 30, and they hail from Alapodor, West Bengal. A case has been registered under the NDPS Act and investigations underway according to reports. Flood continues to wreak havoc in northeastern states and especially in Assam. 4,626 villages in 114 revenue circles have been affected due to the floods caused by incessant rains in the region. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has approved an expedition on pre-investment activities and various clearances for Dibang Multipurpose Project in Arunachal Pradesh for an amount of rupees 1,600 crore. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved 3 new railway projects with a combined investment of over rupees 6,000 crore, giving a boost to rail connectivity in Uttar Pradesh and Assam as per sources. The center said a new line connecting Doraghat to Sajawans is expected to generate an employment of 19.48 lakh man-days and would be completed by 2023 and 24 by the Construction Organization of Northeastern Railway. The World Health Organization announced that the deadly Ebola outbreak in Congo is now an international health emergency after the virus spread this week to a city of 2 million people. More than 1,600 people have died since August in the second deadliest Ebola outbreak in history, which is unfolding in the region described as a war zone. Bangladesh is all set to sign a nuclear fuel supply agreement with Russia for a Rupur nuclear power plant project. According to sources, a proposed agreement has already sent to the Law Ministry for its vetting after it was approved by Cabinet Committee on Public Purchase.